Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back seat, where you have seating for three spaciously and comfortably. Can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have two fold-out cup holders with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, Eco Coach, start-stop status, and your radio, as well as fuel economy. You can exit out of that and go into your truck info, look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, and seat belts. You have your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, as well as your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, your favorite screen where you can access any of those apps or controls, whatever, just in one central spot, and whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see all around your truck and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch views so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, hazards and traction control shut off. Moving down from that, you have your media controls, and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, as well as heated front seats so you can stay comfortable in the colder months. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector here, where you can switch into tow haul, eco, and sport mode. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then moving on to the right, we have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet with this button up here, opening the compartment above your glove box for more storage. And moving down from your climate controls, you have a 12-volt and a USB and USB-C with a shelf here where you can put your device while it's charging or something else. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders, your center compartment / armrest, which is quite spacious. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And you even have another lockable compartment underneath there for even more storage. And then last but not least, you do have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.